Hey everybody, it's MathChew. Just wanted to show everyone how to use the API feature of the Open Data Portal. I think it's a really underutilized resource, so I just wanted to give a quick introduction on how you might go about using it. So the API call is going to get very specific information about the city. So first you're going to want to go to data.buffalonewyork.gov, and on the home page you're really interested in this City Data tab. So if you click on the City Data tab, it's going to bring up a list of all the data sets on the portal. So let's say, for example, you want to see what type of cars are being towed in the city. You can use this search bar to search for different data sets. So I'm going to search for tows. And this is going to bring up the tows data set. So if I click on this link, it's going to give you the name of the data set, some information, some links, some information about the data set, and then so number of rows, columns, and the columns in this data set, which is important, but we're going to come back to it later. What we're interested in for the API is on this access bar, this API. So if you click on the API, you're going to see this API endpoint. It's default to JSON, which is JavaScript object notation. You can do a GeoJSON or a CSV if that's what you prefer, but we're going to focus just on the JSON for now. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to open up another tab and just do a Control V into my browser and hit enter. So it's going to load. It's going to look messy and scary to the human eye, but this is good. This is what a computer, this is eye candy for a computer. So if I did something wrong, maybe I typed in the wrong URL, I might get some sort of error message. This is bad. So if you have this page up, we want to ask the dataset a question. So for each URL on the Open Data Portal, you can do a question mark, which is basically asking the data a question. So let's go back to the tows dataset. So let's say we want to know what types of cars are being towed in our neighborhood. So we want probably, so we'll look in the columns, and this vehicle make looks like a good field. So vehicle underscore make. And then we're going to want this neighborhood field. So if you click on this, it will show the API field name. So neighborhood. So we want vehicle underscore make and neighborhood. So in this question, we're going to do a select function, which in SOQL is $ select and then an equals. So we're basically telling the data set we want to select these fields. So we're going to type the vehicle underscore make, comma, neighborhood, and hit enter. And now it's going to return the same data set, but filtered on just the fields we requested. So this shows just the vehicle make and the neighborhood. So you can see things like probably Honda, Acura, Toyota, and the different neighborhoods. So very basic functionality. I'll do some more videos, but just a general introduction to some of the capabilities of the API. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you didn't understand or anything you'd like to see me cover in future videos. Thanks for tuning in.